Honey, I am so sorry.
The bus passed by me.
What happened?
The bus passed by me.
The bus passed by you?
I got stuck.
If I push your chair, you want to try to drive over to here?
Yeah.
Okay, hang on. Try and drive. Keep going. Right about there. You want me to call EMS or you want ECAT?
He got after when they give me a wheelchair stuff.
Okay, hang on just 1 minute, okay?
Will you call? He got it.
Yes, ma'am. I will call ECAT right now. Are you sure you don't want to go home and get some dry clothes? She was waiting on the bus, and it started downpouring, so then she backed up to try to get out of the rain and got stuck.
I just feel sorry for people